and we will get the views. We will look at it. The County Assembly will table these views. For us, we will make sure that the structure that is there, because when you look at 187B, it is very clear that the functions of Schedule 4 constitutionally still remains with the government that takes care of those functions. And therefore, all I need to plead with the executive side is let's work in a manner that we create a framework that will not bring hindrance in terms of the smooth transition going to national government, and ensuring that we have a framework also that takes care of the CCs who are there. How are we ensuring they get into the different committees within their dockets and continue working? I know the finance docket will be the heaviest docket, and therefore we are not touching it. We are saying we want to see Pauline Kahiga transition it to CS attorney in a proper manner, in a manner where you audit the whole systems that are there, in a manner where you ensure the human resource that is within the county is still within the payroll, and therefore I am hoping that they have a payroll that carries everyone. We don't want to hear some are in a payroll, some are not in the payroll. So those are the things we need to do. As we do that public participation, they should be doing their public participation looking at their systems. The other thing we are saying is, as the County Assembly, is we want to tell the national government, you are also not going to just do things without bringing them to the County Assembly, so that we table and approve for you to show that we have agreed in this framework, so that we don't come fighting again and saying, no, we did not agree on this, we never tabled this. So those are some of the things we are looking at, and especially when we are dealing with human resource, I want to plead with the executive that you must respect Article 235, 236 and the Employments Act in how you dismiss, in how you deploy, in how you even right now deal with your staff. Give them, let the public service, the county public service, manage some of those issues than having executive orders that will bring in a lot of conflict and a lot of cases that we don't need.